Here we can see a force of playing and running. Welcome students, this is the learning how to draw class. I am Swapan. Today's video is specially for BFA students. Here we will learn composition fundamentals and we will discuss about the composition. So friends, today we will learn how to draw a figurative composition of a memorable childhood moment, an interesting football match between some young boys. Here we will apply the process of gesture drawing. So let's see how to draw. At first we will draw the light gesture drawing of this composition. See, when we will draw the gesture drawing, we have to notice that from where we will start the figure and how we will arrange them. So don't worry about it, just follow the process properly. So our gesture drawing is completed. Now come to the detailing. Here we can see 5 characters. Here we can see 5 characters are playing football in this picture. Also both are connected with each other. So first of all, we will complete the first figure in this way. He is wearing a baggy t-shirt and pant. Now draw the second figure beside him. He try snatch the ball from the first figure. Now complete the other figure in this way. Here we can see a force of playing and running, which is most important topic for this picture. Now come to the background. Draw a big playground beside the village. Also draw a boundary wall of a little forest. Also detail the face. So our whole drawing is completed. Now start the color. So basically, whatever we want to color, we will follow the light and shadow portion properly. Here we will use pastel color and pencil color for the whole painting. Also complete the other figures following the same process. Just because of the light and shadow, it looks like so natural. they all are wearing different types of dresses. So apply it properly. Now complete the football in this way. Now come to the background. This is early evening time. For the sky, apply little bit yellow color at the end of the horizon. Now gradually complete the whole painting with me, following the light and shadow. Now apply some depth under them. So our whole composition is completed and it's look like so natural and interesting. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe our channel, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Good luck to you all. Stay safe and be happy. Thank you and bye-bye.